What's going on, folks? It's your man Big Les with Embroidered Ink. Thanks for joining us on the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the importance of branding. One way you can go about branding is making custom neck tags. Now, there's different ways you can go about applying these custom neck tags. Today, we're going to talk about screen print transfers. Let's get into it. Alright, now screen print transfers are exactly what they sound like. It's screen printing onto a transfer film or transfer paper, and then you'll take that and put it on to your garment. All right, so we have the screen all burnt, prepared. You want to have your logo on there, size of the garment, and no other details such as the type of material that it's on. It'll be in one color. We're going to print this in white. We're going to first print it on transfer film. That's the glossy side. It's the matted side. You print it on the matted side. And then we're going to give a test run on some butcher paper. Tag down, just like you put your garment down. You don't want it to move. Make sure we're all lined up. Oh yeah, we looking good. Just slide over this way, just ahead. Oop. Double check. All right. Here we go. Have to have your mirror image, your image mirrored. This is the back side of it. Now we're going to put the adhesive on it. Alright. Put it on the adhesive powder. For the heat press. All right, we'll let it set under the heat, 305 degrees for 70 seconds. All right, let's see what we're doing. Alright. That's the screen printing transfer on transfer paper, on transfer film rather. And what you do, you just cut this out, place it on your garment, your large size garment, wherever you desire, on the neck, on the bottom of the shirt, wherever you see fit. But you do want to brand. You do want to put your brand on your apparel. Most important, put your name out there. Alright, let's see how it works out on butcher paper. First time doing it on butcher paper. Let's see what we're working with. Okay, it's looking good. It's looking good. Let's put on the adhesive. The adhesive powder. All right, so now we're going to press the label onto the garment. Boom. We're going to test out the one that's on the butcher paper. I've used the one that's on the film before. That works pretty good. Like I said, it's my first time testing out the butcher paper. So let's see how it works. .330, 330 degrees. I do it for 40 to 50 seconds. Some people do it for 30 seconds. I do it for 40 to 50 seconds and do a cold peel. All right, in 50 seconds. Like I said, I'm gonna do a cold peel on this. No print came through back there. Oh, once I take this off, let's see if that makes it leave a mark there. Let's see. This is on a polyester shirt. This is actually my first time doing it. Putting these tags on a polyester shirt also. Let that cool off. Alright, while that tag cools off on the polyester shirt, I'll do one with the film that's printed on the film on this cotton shirt. Now let's put our tag on here. There we go. 50 seconds. Alright, 50 seconds. Alright, we'll let that cool off and we'll peel the one off of the polyester shirt. Let's see what you're working with. Wow. That's nice. Branding. So important. That's why they make the tearaway tags. So you can brand yourself also. Alright, let's go ahead and peel this one. Oh, lovely. Lovely. Branding, baby. Get your name out there. It's a beautiful thing. If you need screen printed neck tags, look us up, embroidering.com, and we'll take care of you. Alright, what I've noticed is that on the polyester shirts, that looks good, but it does leave an imprint on the back there where you can see. Yeah, that's not a good look. So polyester shirts, you either want to sew a tag on or put your tag on the bottom of the shirt. There we go, folks. Custom neck tags. One form of branding. Remember, if you need some custom neck tags done, look us up at embroideredink.com. Put your order in, we will take care of you.